Deborah and Dave had only been married 4 years when he was sentenced to 25 years to life. Despite this crushing blow, this couple struggled to hold their family together. After 2 years of Dave's sentence, Deborah moved to Auburn, New York, where Dave was incarcerated, so that they could see each other more often. She got a job there, and she visited her husband every week. During one of their precious visits, an irritated guard falsely accused the couple of having sex, terminated the visit, and threw Dave in the hole. After his disciplinary hearing, his sanction was 60 days of solitary confinement, 120 days of no visits. But worst of all, he was banned from visits from his beloved Deborah for the next 10 years. The couple was traumatized and destroyed. And they had no place to turn, and they saw no hope. But a few days later, someone told them about the Alliance of Families for Justice. And a hysterical Deborah picked up the phone and called our office. And she learned during that phone call that the mission of the Alliance of Families for Justice is to support families just like hers, and to empower them, and to mobilize them. And she learned that our direct line lawyering project, a new project, was available to help her and Dave. And so lawyers from our direct line lawyering project are helping Dave to challenge that harsh sanction. And they're assisting Deborah to assert her rights as a directly impacted spouse. Because you see, when someone goes to prison, their whole family does the time. Their whole family suffers, and their whole family feels the pain. Now, we all know that a healthy family builds a strong community, and strong communities are the very essence of a thriving society. But here in New York, 80% of the people who are incarcerated are Black and Latino. 80%. We need you to help us. We need you to help us challenge the systemic impact that mass incarceration is having on families like Dave and Deborah's. And we need you to help us address the needs of the 50,000 families who have an incarcerated loved one here in New York. Because I know that together we can make that difference. Thank you.